Welcome to Aapki Padhai. Myself Nishant Kumar and you watched Aapki Padhai and today we are discuss about water.
What is water? Water is a precious, fundamental and the most essential substances required for the existence of life on earth. Water is found naturally abundantly on our planet earth. About two-thirds of the total earth surface is covered with water. It is a transparent, odorless and tasteless inorganic molecule composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Uses of water. We all use water for different purposes, which include everyday household use, including drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, bathing, for other domestic irrigation, cultivation, the crop and industrial requirements. Thus, water is required for many activities. Therefore, it is an essential element required for the continuity of life on the planet Earth. Fresh water. Fresh water is a naturally occurring water present on the earth surface in pond, rivers. The major source of rainwater is precipitation in the atmosphere. Distribution of fresh water. 71% of earth is filled with water. Out of this, 3% is fresh water and 97% of water is in ocean and seas. Out of this 3% of fresh water, 30% is groundwater. Not accessible. 69% are in the form glaciers, icebergs, not accessible out of the remaining 1% of water. Only 0.006% is used by the people for several purposes like bathing, washing, etc. Water cycle. The process of circulating or the continuous movement of water between water bodies like the ocean, rivers, ponds, lakes and land is called the water cycle. It is also known as the hydrologic cycle or the hydrological cycle. In this process, the water on the earth changes into three different states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. The complete process of water cycle involves the following process. First, evaporation. Second, condensation and third, precipitation. Evaporation is the process of converting liquid or water into the gaseous form or vapor state. The process of converting vapor or gaseous form into the liquid form is called condensation. You can observe that water collected on the surface of a water bottle due to condensation.
If any doubt, ask in comment section.